Hi, I'm Coach Wadey. I'm the head boys basketball coach here at Hill Murray. Thank you for taking the opportunity to check out additional information regarding the boys basketball program. I'm in my second season as the boys basketball coach here. I'm a 2001 graduate of Hill Murray. I played both basketball and baseball for the Pioneers. So I truly enjoy being back and being the head boys basketball coach here at my alma mater. I look back at my time in school and in sports at Hill Murray in a very positive way. And I have a great sense of pride in being part of the Hill Murray community. And that's why I jumped at the opportunity to take over this program a couple years ago when it was offered to me. We offer teams for players in grades 9 through 12. These teams may vary slightly based on our numbers and our participation, but we look to get as many kids participating in basketball as we can. We'll have a varsity, a junior varsity, a B squatter at 10th grade, and then a C squatter at 9th grade. All of these teams participate in the Metro East Conference, which is a very tough, very competitive conference that provides us with a lot of great competition on a nightly basis. The varsity team also participates in Section 4-3A during the postseason, which is a very tough, very competitive section for us to compete in. An accomplishment that our 2019-20 team accomplished, they were named the Section 4-3A Academics Champions based on their team GPA. That's something we have a lot of pride in. Definitely like to stress being that student athlete and not only being successful on the basketball floor, but also being successful in the classroom. We offer opportunities for middle school students to compete in basketball as well. We have teams for grades 6, 7, and 8. These teams may be single grade or a combination, depending on the numbers. So for instance, this past season, we had 2 8th grade teams and a 6th and 7th grade combination team. These teams play in the Catholic Athletic Association, or the CAA. This is a great opportunity for players to compete in basketball and to experience basketball. These players can also compete on their local traveling teams. We encourage players to participate both on the middle school team and on their traveling team if they're able to, as we think this is a great opportunity for them to grow and develop as basketball players. Our goal for the program, or our goals for the program, ultimately, we want to be a successful program that is respected in the basketball community and that represents Hill Murray well. Success of this program will be measured in a variety of ways and not solely based on wins and losses. I believe as a coach that if players follow expectations, compete daily, keep a positive attitude, stay focused, and have fun playing this great sport, then we will find success as a program, and they will find success as players, and more importantly, as people. If you have additional information that you'd like, or if you have additional questions regarding the Hill Murray Boys Basketball Program, please feel free to reach out to me via email. My email address is listed there. It's swadey@hillmurray.org. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have.